Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Today we're going to be looking at the Orzero full coverage screen protector for my Google Pixel Watch. And right now I'm sporting a film screen protector from a company that I cannot pronounce. So I'll just throw up the name right in there somewhere and you can check that out. I will also have a link for the film screen protector that I'm using. I'll have a link for the Rinky clear case, came with a black one as well. And I will have a link for the Orzero full coverage screen protectors. You get two of them. You get two of them in this box. A lot of information. Please read everything. So yeah, I'm super stoked to try something different. The Rinky case is doing great. Protect my Pixel Watch, and the screen protector from that company that I cannot pronounce is doing great. I'm going to take that off and I'm going to peel off so in the box you do get a microcloth, you got your dust absorbers there, and you get an alcohol prep wipe, and you get two full coverage screen protectors. Before installing, prepare all necessary accessories, alcohol prep pad, dust absorber, and wiping cloths. Wash your hands and choose a flat table, bright light, then turn off your device. And it tells you how to install, so please read everything. It should be pretty darn simple, but yeah, you have those instructions there, and you got some more information over here. Before I forget, there's some information there as far as the Orzero screen protectors for the Google Pixel Watch and the price point, $7.49. All right, so we only need one of these. Put that over to the side right there. Put that over there. So that's what it looks like. Now this should work with my Rinky case. Trying to see if there's a little tab. Oh, it's right here. There's a little pull tab right there. Piece of film that we're going to pull off, or I'm going to pull off, and then it should adhere to the display of my Pixel Watch. Full coverage. So I've got to get that on there just perfect. And then I should be able to utilize my Rinky case. All right, so let's go ahead and somewhat follow the instructions. There's a little area right here, a little bit of a cutout right there. I'm assuming that's going to go over the crown area. Three-time zoom so you can see what that full coverage screen protector from Orzero looks like. Now there's a couple little air bubbles in there that I'll have to squeeze out, but it is fully adhered. It's suctioned up against the display of my Pixel Watch. That little cutout area is right over the crown there, and you can see the edge. Let me turn it this way. So So the edge is right in there. You can feel that. So yeah, I'll just have to play with that, or those areas where I can see some of those air bubbles, which is fine. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my Pixel Watch back on, and then I'm going to give my Rinky case here a little wipe down. Okay, so while the watch is turning back on, we're going to head over to the crown area there. So now that the Pixel Watch is back on, you can see the Rinky case. There's the Rinky brand name right there. And the screen protector all the way around the edge is black, and then the area up top obviously clear. So let's make sure that the touch response works the way it should. And it does. Very nice. So no issues there as far as touch response. So that's really, really good to see. Yeah, that is looking tough. Bold. Nothing like having protection. As of right now, it's a thumbs up. $7.49. 2 full coverage screen protectors from Orzero. Yeah, I am digging it. Again, all the products talked about in this video, that information down below in the description area. And with that, appreciate you watching, taking the time to support here on Team My Project 13. Stay safe and healthy. God bless you all. Peace. I am out.